Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Good evening and welcome to the June 11th Police and Fire Commission at the City of Fitchburg. I'm Commissioner Baxter and I will chair this meeting in place of Commissioner Brian, who's not here with us today. And first order of business after the call to order is Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Next order of business, item number 3, approval of minutes from our May 21st meeting.
I move approval.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any further discussion on the minutes as presented? Hearing none. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Minutes are passed. Fourth item of business, public appearance for non-agenda items. We are not seeing any members of the public in the meeting room, and I believe no one online, so we will move on. Item number 5, report from the police department. Chief Morales is with us tonight. Sir?
Hello everyone, thank you. Start off with the staffing report. In our staffing report, we're down an additional body. We had a captain, one of 2 on the department, that resigned. His last day was Friday. Personal reasons, and we'll be talking more about the next processes after that in closed session. We're down 5 vacancies. I'll talk about the vacancies a little bit in more length at a later time. We are in the process of hiring one of those 5 vacancies that I'm going to be asking for your approval to move forward on. We have 1 on field training. That all said, we're only down to 6 unfilled positions out on the street. Some of you weren't here, but we're down to almost 20 positions at one time within the last 3 years. So we're maintaining. If we're able to fill this, one of the 4 vacancy positions in police officer, we will be doing okay, at least for now, and be able to maintain. So we're looking forward to this next process, the end, and see what we can get from that.
Great. All right, thank you, Chief Morales. Item number 5B would be the next item of business, closed session. And I will move pursuant to section 19.851C Wisconsin statutes. The commission will move into closed session for the purpose of considering employment, promotion, compensation, or performance evaluations of any public employee over which the governmental body has jurisdiction or exercises responsibility. More specifically, to request to begin a captain recruitment and to extend a conditional offer of employment for a police officer, as well as remove the probationary status of 1 police officer.
A second.
Moved and seconded. Any further discussion on moving into closed session? Hearing none, all those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? We are in closed session. All right, we are back, and next up on our agenda is item 5C, open session. Any action to be taken out of closed session?
I move approval to move Officer Ruska from probationary to permanent status on the recommendation of Chief Morales.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any further discussion on the motion? Hearing none, all those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion passes. Any other business coming out of closed session?
Yes, motion to extend a conditional offer of employment for a police officer.
I'll second that. Any further discussion on the motion? Hearing none, all those in favor signify by saying aye.
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 Excellent. Any opposed? None. Motion passes. And I also have a motion. I would move to accept the recommendation of Chief Morales to begin a recruitment process for the position of captain.
I second.
Moved and seconded. Any further discussion on the motion? Hearing none, all those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion passes. Thank you all. Moving on to agenda item 6, announcements. Any announcements?
Just wanted to let you know that next week, Wednesday, we still have a PFC meeting. It'll just be fire items, and I have everyone in attendance but Sean. So I believe everyone will be here in person. So.
Excellent.
Yep. Except for Veronica, yes, thank you. You did email that, yes. So we'll have 3 in person for the closed session, which is a quorum, so that's good. So you can still join. And then I won't have the minutes ready for you to approve for next week. So you'll notice there's not an approval of minutes on the agenda for next week. That's okay. We'll catch it on the next one.
Okay. Any other announcements? None. Then all that's left is item number 7. I will move adjournment.
I second that.
Moved and seconded. Any further discussion on the motion to adjourn? Hearing none, all those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion passes. We are adjourned. Thank you.